Welcome to the Cantonese vocabulary series. Today I am going to go over the vocabulary for camping. And camping in Cantonese is露營.露營. So now let's go over some of the vocabularies for the equipment that we used in camping. So tent in Cantonese is 帳幕. 帳幕. Compass in Cantonese is 指南針. 指南針. Backpack in Cantonese is 背囊. 背囊. Flashlight in Cantonese is 電筒. 電筒. Sleeping bag in Cantonese is 睡袋. 睡袋. Water bottle in Cantonese is 水樽. 水樽. So now let's go over some of the vocabulary for the activities that we do in camping. Hiking in Cantonese is 遠足. 遠足. Mountain climbing in Cantonese is 爬山. 爬山. Hunting in Cantonese is 打獵. 打獵. Fishing in Cantonese is 釣魚. 釣魚. And kayaking in Cantonese is 獨木舟. 獨木舟. And thank you for watching my video. If you want to learn Cantonese in a systematic way, I would actually recommend you to take a look at my website or download one of our mobile apps, both in iPhone and in Android. I have attached a link in the video description. And if you wanted to support us, please subscribe to our channel so that you could get our latest videos on learning Cantonese. Tweet about us or even share it with your friends who got similar interests as you in learning this language. Thank you. Bye-bye.